love and romance are two important aspects of an intimate relationship. When looking to develop or maintain a relationship, dating is an important component. Unfortunately, after time has passed, many couples enter into an area of comfort. This comfort zone often has a significant and negative impact on one's relationship and marriage. Do not let it have the same impact on yours. To prevent you and your partner from falling into the above-mentioned comfort zone, where dating and courting are a thing of the past, knowledge is key. It is important to never underestimate the power of a simple date. A regular date with a partner or spouse can reignite sparks. A date can bring romance back into the relationship. If you are not in a serious relationship right now, it is still important to understand dating and its importance. It is an easy, yet important way to get to know a potential partner and start a budding relationship. If your relationship is that of marriage, dating is a crucial factor in keeping your relationship fresh and alive. In fact, dating can help to save an otherwise failing marriage. This doesn't mean that each date must be overly romantic, or that you have to spend a lot of money to wow your husband or wife. Oftentimes, simply just spending time alone with your partner can be enough to help keep the romance alive. Each night does not have to be a date, but know that going on a date with your spouse on a consistent basis helps to ensure that love and romance remains a part of the relationship. As for why dating is important for your marriage, it is important, as it prevents your husband or wife from making assumptions. For example, your wife may believe that you would rather not be seen with her in public, or that you are ashamed to showcase your relationship. Skipping out on dating after marriage may unintentionally make your spouse feel as if you don't care about them anymore. The absence of dating can also cause boredom, and cause a below-average relationship to develop. This can, unfortunately, lead to relationship troubles, and possibly even divorce. To keep your relationship strong, you will want to make a commitment to plan regular date activities with your partner. Common, popular, and standard date activities, such as dinner and a movie, are nice, but it is also important to think outside of the box. Choose activities that help create romance. If you do opt for a movie with your partner, choose one with a romantic theme, as it can help to ignite the passion. As previously stated, try to think out of the box, in terms of dates. Unique dating experiences can also help create more romance and improve your intimacy. Spend a weekend at a nice hotel together, take a dinner cruise, or try a fun, yet romantic adventure, like horseback riding. These types of activities can help the sparks to fly in your relationship, and usual and out-of-the-ordinary dates can be very romantic. If you and your partner are parents, it is important to know that dating can be complicated, but it is still more than possible. You may find that it is quite difficult to get away without the kids, but it is vital to find a way. There are several options for parents, like you. These options include hiring a babysitter or asking a family member to watch the kids for a few hours. Going out on dates when you are parents takes careful planning, but the effort is more than worth it. Your relationship and intimacy levels can flourish when you are given time alone. As a recap, dating can build and nourish your relationship. It can also help to improve intimacy, which is an important component of a happy and healthy relationship. Remember that a strong relationship often translates into more fun, love, and passion in the bedroom.